Afternoon.
Did you finish working out the horses?
Yeah, pretty much.
What you working on?
You know what this is?
A small knife.
No, it's Damascus steel. It's a letter opener I made for when you go away to college. And I'm gonna add on these white handles.
Letter opener.
They'd be beautiful on your desk.
I hate to break it to you, but nobody writes letters anymore.
Well, then you can use it to keep the boys away. Anyway.
Okay.
Push.
Okay. Jeez.
Gotta grease these hinges.
I can help.
Okay. How'd it go last night?
Well, not that many people showed up to the party.
Why not?
Because of the rain. Grandma told me what happened last night. About the people who died. You okay? You know it's not your fault, right? You tried.
I did try.
Do you want to go ride?
Yeah, go put your boots on.
Okay. It's crazy. I'm about to start college. I don't know why. I have no idea what I want to do yet. Did you know what you wanted to do at my age?
Yeah, I wanted to be a soldier.
At my age?
Even before your age.
Did you like it?
Well, I had some of the best friends I ever had for a while. It's gonna be real quiet around here without you asking all these questions.
I'm sure you'll survive.
Yeah.
Sun's setting. I only have about an hour left to ride, okay?
Why's that?
I have to go to Antonia's. She's throwing this thing for the guys who are going to college in the fall.
Why don't you invite him here?
What?
Bring him over here.
Remember what happened last time? You freaked them out.
Why?
Because you wouldn't stop staring at them.
No, no. Yeah, I do that sometimes, but it's not intentional.
Thank you, but Antonia's got it covered. We're just gonna have it there, okay?
Show him the tunnels.
What?
Show him the tunnels.
You don't let anybody go in the tunnels.
No, but they're your friends, so they're welcome.
Okay, cool, yeah.
Yeah, show them the tunnels.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Hey,